Hi, welcome back to Happy Mommy Makeup. Hayden and I are going to be doing makeup looks using the Harry Potter ColourPop collection. Super excited. My husband got this for me in the mail a couple weeks ago. The packaging on everything is super adorable. We're not going to go into all the products because it's been out for a while. I'm sure everybody's pretty familiar with it already. But we are going to do 2 makeup looks for you. If you can tell which house we're going to be doing today, I'm going to be doing Gryffindor. And
I'll be doing Hufflepuff. No.
Hayden's going to be doing Slytherin. We'll mention like the products and the, not products, but the
names of things.
The names of the shades and the liquid liners and highlighters and stuff. We'll show you and name those as we're using them. And then the next video, we will switch it up and do Ravenclaw and Hufflepuff. So, all right, Hayden, you ready?
Yep.
Okay, let's do it. So the rest of our makeup is all done. We're only going to focus on the products that we got in the Harry Potter ColourPop collection. And we're going to start with our eyes. And this is the eyeshadow palette. The packaging is absolutely beautiful, stunning.
24 whole colors.
24 whole colors. And the eyeshadow palette's called Back to Hogwarts. And then here is the color selection. Absolutely beautiful palette. And you can see right here the crest of all 4 houses, which is pretty cool. So again, Hayden and I are going to focus on the top 2, and then the next video we're going to focus on the bottom 2. Before we start on the eyes, the collection came with 4 lip balms. This one is Courage.
And this one is Pride.
And they have a scent to them as well. This one is more of like a spicy, cinnamony type smell. And we're gonna apply these.
And this has like a
minty?
Yeah, kind of like minty, but
eucalyptusy.
Yeah, like that.
Eucalyptusy. Eucalyptus smell.
Yeah.
And we're just gonna prep our lips.
I have really chapped lips. Ooh, it's cool.
That one's cooling?
Yeah.
This one's kind of warming. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's like the houses.
I was looking to see if there was a tint. There's not really a tint to them. So back to the eyes. We are going to start with the house names. I'm going to start with Gryffindor, and Hayden's going to start with Slytherin.
Because how could we not?
Yeah, absolutely. We definitely have to use those colors. And I'm going to place Gryffindor all over the lid. This is such a pretty color. Very pigmented.
See if I can try to make it look the same on the other side.
Alright, while she's doing Slytherin still, I'm gonna go in with Whomping Willow in my crease.
I am going to go in with Sorting Hat. Right in the middle. Kind of blend it out a little bit.
Alright, I'm gonna add Gryffindor on my lower lash line now. I'm gonna buff Whomping Willow right underneath that with the Gryffindor shade. On my lower lash line.
I need to go in with more Slytherin because the Sorting Hat kind of took over a little bit. And for my inner eye, I am going to go in with Gillyweed. Come on, stop. It's that like really bright. It's like a really light, glittery green.
And I'm gonna put Invisibility Cloak all over on that Gryffindor shade. Ooh, Invisibility Cloak has like red and yellowy flecks to it. I put Lumos in my inner corner. Oh, good choice. Good choice.
Oh, it's like a gold.
Yeah.
Ish.
That is the one I stuck it in, right? Yeah, it is. Let's see. Yeah, that's the one I stuck it in.
And on my lower lash line, I'm going to use Nimbus 2000. Didn't Malfoy get the team like Nimbus 2001s
Something like that.
to buy his way into the team?
The Lumos is much more golden than it looks like in the package, in the pan.
Nimbus 2000 has like a nice gold tint.
Yeah.
I don't like doing my lower lash line.
That's fine. You don't ever have to do it.
I know, but I just wanted to use as many colors as possible.
Yeah, that makes sense. The collection also came with liquid liners, and for the Gryffindor look, I'm using the shade Sword, which is a bridal red. I don't think it will look well with this look, but I'm doing a Gryffindor look, so I've got to use it. So.
And I am using Locket. It's like a really dark emerald green.
I'm not really enjoying the application of this. It's like the more I'm putting on, it's taking the color off. Is yours doing it?
No.
No, yours is looking really good. Can you kind of see like how it's taking it off as I'm applying it?
I've had that problem with some eyeliners. They're too dry.
Well, this is very liquidy. I just, like, I have to dab it like this to dab it on instead of swipe it on. Because swiping it's just taking it off, and dabbing it is helping a little bit, but not much. So I give up on trying. Maybe with more of a matte shade and not like the Super Shock shade on top. I don't know. Yeah, that didn't work out very well at all. It's not, the color's not bad on the other color though. Like, not like I thought it would be. But it just didn't.
Yours shows up really well.
Yeah, it's just, it didn't apply right, so.
Mine you can kind of see, like up close.
Yeah, you can see it. It's a pretty color.
Yeah.
The collection came with 3 highlighters. So which one, Hayden, shall we look? So we have Hedwig. So we have Hedwig here. We have Dobby here. Oop. Which looks exactly like Dobby's shade, I feel like.
Dobby uses that in his makeup.
Yeah, he just puts it all over his body. And then we have Buckbeak. So, let's see. I use Dobby for my highlighter.
And I'm going to use Buckbeak.
Buckbeak.
Skyline.
Oh, yeah. I feel like this is not.
Applying as well?
Yeah, same?
Yep.
Alright.
You gotta get like a lot.
Well, I'm going to use my finger to apply it. I feel like with the Super Shock highlighters, the brushes just don't do it for me. So I'm just going to apply some on my finger. See, that's much better. And it's super smooth. Yeah, I just got to dab it because if you rub it, you'll mess up your foundation.
It's like powdered sugar.
Yeah, that's a good way to describe it. Have you ever played in powdered sugar? No? try Super Shadow. It'll feel just like it. The final thing in the collection are 3 Luxe liquid lips and 1 Luxe lip gloss.
Yeah, so the 3 liquid lips are the golden trio. You know, there is Harry Potter, Ronald Weasley, which of course is an orange, Hermione Granger. The Luxe gloss is Luna Lovegood, which is like a
shimmery purplish, like, right?
I don't know.
It's got
It
gold.
reminds me of the Elsa.
Yeah, it's got like gold flecks, purple, white. I think with your look with the green, I think you should go with like the dark red, the deep red.
That's what I was thinking.
And I think with the red.
He was almost in Slytherin, anyways.
Yep.
So.
There you go. And then with this red, I don't want to go red on red on red, so I'm gonna go with Hermione, which is a little more nude color.
Whew.
It's gonna be real red. Oop. And then to finish off the looks, we're just gonna add a ColourPop mascara. All right, these are the final looks.
I haven't done that in so long.
I know. Absolutely love the packaging of this collection. The eyeshadows, of course, are
Just perfect.
perfect, beautiful, blend perfectly, just like all of ColourPop's eyeshadow palettes. The only thing is I'm disappointed in that eyeliner. Maybe I just need to play with it a little bit more to figure it out, but
Mine was fine.
yeah. So we'll see how the other 2 colors go in the next video. I really like yours. I think you did a great job on it. It looks great.
I was proud of that cool wing thing I did.
I think that's it. Until next time. Bye.
Bye.